What is up, Buns Nation, you feel me? Today, I'm going to be frolicking in the fields, getting faded off the Benjamin. Need I say more? Got the loadout in the backpack, gonna be blasting music with the speaker, you feel me? Enough said. So I don't actually know if this spot is someone's yard, you feel me? But I do go through drop on another location that will suffice if this one does not.
So the first location has been
Compromised. Alt 4 took over the
objective, and I was not able to defuse in time. The
other objective it is, I guess. Both locations have been compromised by Op 4. I'm kind of just walking without direction. All I know is I gotta hit the Benjamin shit. What's up, Buns Nation? I am currently walking along a trail that I found, just a random trail, hoping there's no creatures out to get me, out to connive me, you know. Creatures in the grass lurking, smirking, spurdarking, you feel me?
I think that this is a sign to take my first Benjamin rip.
Okay, so I had walked to the trail to get faded, and then I reached in my pocket, and my Benjamin is gone. Poof. Nowhere to be seen. So now I am retracing my steps. I haven't seen it yet, but I think I have an idea when I may have dropped it. This is gone, I don't know. I think I might just kill myself.
Alright, I'll see you guys when I either find it or don't.